I'm starting this video at 8 o'clock at night because I'm literally scared that one of our neighbors or someone in this complex is gonna call the cops. I'm like trying to double check that no one's here. And I'm not sure anybody's here, but we're about to do something on the RX-7 that I literally just realized was possible. I'm gonna do a scope around the vicinity on the hoverboard to make sure nobody's here. Maybe I'll tell somebody that we're gonna do something loud if they are here. But on accident, I figured out that without even setting up the two-step on the RX-7, we're able to make it shoot flames and sound like gunfire, which is like my obsession. Doing a little neighbor check. I mean, I started the BRZ, so if anything, if they've heard that car, they know we're here. Not that neighbors don't like us, but I just like to be on the side of being careful, especially pissing off neighbors is never a good look. So I always try and do my best to make everybody happy, or at least let them know that they're about to hear something loud. So it turns out the neighbor right next to us is still here, which are normally never here this late. So I guess we'll just keep our fingers crossed and hope nobody thinks that this place is having a gunshot go off in it. But I'm excited. So Dustin is heading down right now and he's gonna help film a little edit. I always like creating like little like Instagram edits and stuff like that, little short movies and stuff. And I know I wanted to show you guys. So today's video is gonna be a little bit on the shorter side, but I was only able to film this video when there was the least amount of people in this area for obvious reasons. So the story goes, my friend Tanner Fox was over and he wanted to see the RX-7 for the first time. He wanted to hear me rev it. So you guys saw we did a video like a while ago where we tried to get it to shoot flame and revving it, and Mickey was one doing the throttling. And when he was doing it, I guess he just didn't have a heavy foot on it, and when I tried to do it, I kind of just like, I got close to the rev limiter, and when I did that, the car just started igniting flames.
Igniting.
So I got the car tuned with a two-step, which two-step is like typically where most people do backfires and stuff. It's essentially like a launch control thing with like a fuel cut or a spark cut and it ignites. Now that's not what this is. I'm just literally going to the rev limiter, and when it hits that, I don't know what PPRE did, but whatever it is, it's amazing. So do I even need to set up two-step at this point? Probably not, because it's cooler just to have it naturally do it. This video is something I'm very looking forward to. I'm really excited to make the actual edit of the video and show you guys in post, but you are gonna hear it in this video. I'm not gonna be teasing you guys, I promise. That noise right there is what we are trying to capture on camera today. I'm gonna make a cool cinematic for. I'm getting this car all warmed up and ready, so when Dustin gets here, we don't have to sit and get this thing all warmed up, but I am excited. You will see that in just a bit, but that noise you heard is the secret weapon of the RX-7 that I cannot wait to make a video on. All right, so we just came up with the scene I think we're gonna do. We're literally coming up with this on the fly, kind of like how we did that burnout in the 350. Where we're gonna come in through this way, do little cinematics, park in the middle of the shop, air out. Dut's gonna do his magic, and then we're gonna do the RX-7 magic.
It's gonna be good.
Oh, can't see shit. Oh my god. Oh.
I'm gonna inch up, and then Tyler, when he does it,
Yeah.
we'll get a shot. You can film like from, you can even film from the back. I don't know, we'll do a couple. This is the whole shebang.
This is the whole, this is the money, brother. Alright, that's good.
All right, so this is too loud, so before we do the next shot, we're gonna give Tyler and Dustin some headphones. You can like feel it in your chest, right?
Dude, I feel like my body is gonna bleed. My balls.
All right. That was amazing, that was awesome. That edit is gonna be up in hopefully a couple days. It's gonna be a little short Instagram edit that I'm gonna post on this channel and on my Instagram. It is so amazingly loud. I'm sure at this point people are commenting, oh, you should do another two-step battle with Black Widow Supra, but that right there, in my opinion, is much better, and that's out of a 1.3 liter, not even a 2J. Which is mad. That was so cool. I'm really excited for the edit. I know this video was really quick, but I just wanted to show you guys that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out and keep moving forward. And I'm feeling